Hi everyone, so today I'm really excited to be sharing with you a traditional Malaysian recipe which is Roti Jala, savoury lace crepes. So I'm starting out with 2 cups of flour, to which I'm adding 1 teaspoon of dried turmeric, which we call kunyit, and then I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. These 3 simple dry ingredients are going to be stirred together, perhaps with a chopstick, before we go into the wet ingredients, which are coconut milk 200 milliliters and water 300 milliliters. And I'm also adding 2 eggs directly into the flour mixture before pouring in the coconut milk and water mixture. Now I'm going to give everything a stir with a chopstick, again my favorite implement, and then I'm going to go in with an immersion blender to make sure everything is completely smooth and there are no lumps, and I'm going to pour it through a wire sieve also to make sure there are no lumps. I'm going to stir it and let it sit for about half an hour before pouring it into a squeeze bottle. I have a saucepan over medium-high heat and I'm just squeezing out the batter in, swirls and all kinds of shapes, and I'm going to let it sit for about, a minute, 2 minutes until it's completely cooked, and then I'm going to carefully fold it in thirds, and when it's properly cooked it will be very easy to fold, after which the roti jala is rolled up. As you can see here, I made a whole plate full of roti jala. They are savory and we usually eat them with chicken curry or beef rendang, which was a recipe shared in my previous video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.